Since 1994, Chongqing Kington Li Yang Motorcycle Manufacturing Company Limited has been producing distinctive motorcycles celebrated for their style and engineering. As the first 5 motorcycle manufacturers in Chongqing, in June 2011, Kington Li Yang was acquired by Chongqing Andes Company. Andes Motos is one of the valued motorcycle manufacturers in Chongqing Municipality and is synonymous with motorcycle OEM in China. Andes manufactures various motorcycles in its industrial park, area 25,036 square meters, 2 engine lines, 3 assembly lines, 2 labs, 1 R&D Centre, and 1 inspection center. An expanding plan is launched that a new industrial park with 180,000 square meters, 7 assembly lines, and 6 engine lines will be completed in 2023. Volume of exports is about 24,000 units monthly. Overseas design studios contribute very much to Andes Motorcycle. They not only work with Andes, but also absorb the ideas from Andes clients. The joint R&D between the 3 sides creates a special but effective design mode. The strength of Andes lies in its market-driven solutions, its advanced technology, and its customer-oriented policy. Aiming to be the best is nature, whether it's in the way we produce our high-quality products or the way we manage our businesses and engage with customers.